Birds. Birds are bipedal, warm-blooded, egg-laying vertebrate animals with about 10,000 living species. The fossil record indicates birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs 200 to 150 million years ago, and the earliest known bird is the late Jurassic Archaeopteryx. Ornithology is the study of birds. Birds are distinguished from other living vertebrates by three important things: feathers, hollow bones, and hard-shelled eggs. The largest bird is the 9-foot-tall ostrich, and the smallest bird is the hummingbird. Everything about the anatomy of a bird reflects its ability to fly. The wings are shaped to create lift. The leading edge is thicker than the back edge, and they are covered in feathers that narrow to a point. The bones and muscles of the wing are also highly specialized. Birds have a unique digestive system that allows them to eat when they can and digest later. They use their beaks to grab and swallow food. Nest building is one of the most important activities of birds, as the nest not only provides shelter and protection, but also plays an important role in egg laying and raising young ones. Depending on the taxonomic viewpoint, there are about 8,800 to 10,200 living bird species, and about 120 that have become extinct in the span of human history. The evolution of modern birds have captured the interest of scientists for more than 200 years. More than 90% of modern birds are part of the clade known as Neo-Aves. Here is a modern view of bird groupings. Number 1. Pileated. Those are the ostriches and kiwis. Number 2. The galliforms. Those are grouse, turkeys, chickens, and other landfowl. Number 3. The anseriforms. Ducks and geese. And number 4. The Neo-Aves. Here are the categories of Neo-Aves. The strisaurs, nightjars, swifts, and hummingbirds. The columb-aves, doves, cuckoos, pigeons. The gruiforms, cranes, and rails. The aquarlitornithes, flamingos, grebes, gulls, penguins. The inopinaves, all land birds, including hawks, owls, toucans, falcons, parrots, and songbirds.